Supermachine chemical machinery, manufacturing focus on vacuum emulsifier, liquid wash mixing pot, storage tanks, filling machine, labeling machine, water treatment, one-stop turnkey service supplier for cosmetic, pharmaceutical, food industries.
1T200L500L combined lifting emulsifier. Discharge port. Lift remote control. Elevator transport material display. All the wire are in the wire box, which makes the machine look cleaner. Pot lid, visual lens and spices, filters, vacuum, pressure gauges, etc. PLC control panel. Use SUS 304 and SUS 316 materials. Polishing to ensure product quality. Adopt Schneider electric components. Practical, high safety coefficients. Homogenizer start. Homogenizing speed 0 to 3000 R per minute. Homogenizer and stirring paddles start simultaneously. Stirring speed 0 to 63 R min. Stirring the pan. Oil pan dispersion speed 0 to 1440 R per minute. Hydraulic rise. All the wire are in the wire box, which makes the machine look cleaner. Emulsifying pot discharge port. Manual dumping of materials.